So, you think you're ready for all this sauce?
Oh, yeah, baby. Tease me and please me.
Okay. Let me just take a few things off and get a little more comfortable.
Yeah. Yeah? Ooh. Huh?
Rabble Rabble show, I got chat to them and make them chat for it. Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only National Rabble Danger, and on this platform we do things different. Rabblings, when it comes to relationship, what you think the opposite sex look for? Tell me, because more for know. Enough who say males look for the kitty cat, and enough who say females look for the money, the cheddar. Right now, me have a Rablet on the Rabblings line, and we are gonna bust a reason. Rabblings, you know what I don't understand? No females who say a male want any female, like we don't know the type of woman we really want for ourselves. Janua, that me can't understand.
No, not picky, you not too lie. No, not picky.
So what you really are trying to say, eh? What you say, woman?
Only don't picky. Only just want to know say she have 2 foot 2 and
easy.
Every part is intact. And she have a vagina.
You can't say anything what you want to say. That may make you know.
Only don't picky.
Okay, if you see the right man forward right now and pick you, you're glad.
Thank you.
Skin catch a fire door.
It feels so good.
I tell you about woman. But on a serious level, why you feel say a front alone man want?
That's all you guys want. That's all.
Listen this. Let me tell you something. Man want a woman with qualities of a queen. Yeah. Yeah, and a woman who understands herself. We not really ask so much at the end of the day.
Listen, more talk the ref for me, Papa. Quiet, you know. You have your money.
So what better talk about as we talk about quality and 2 little up thing, you come with money.
Whatever.
And that woman want.
Fuck you, I don't like you.
That you want, don't you? So wait there, I have a question I want to ask you. What you think man really want?
Yeah. At the end of the day, for one reason, to get some crutches. That's all I'm come to get. Crutches.
Yeah, talk about.
I have some little chicken eggs, you know, kind of call and yeah, one thing and just know say so it go. That's what men want these days. And I give man the power because woman now stand up.
Stand up and do what?
Now stand up for what they believe in and just run your little dirty boy and know say you. Now because you have your money, they feel like they can come talk to me anyway. Or you feel like they can do what you need to do because you have your money. No. It's the minute women like stand up and take a stand with one man, trust me, the world will be much better.
When I get the anger already, I'm gonna feel, when I confused. It's like when you don't know what going on in our head, when you can't satisfy and then say, woman have to be woman.
You can't do this.
That me
I don't grade no woman. Any woman have to do what she have to do for survive. You just have to do what you have to do for survive. Nothing wrong with that.
Me not downgrade no woman, but when you leave a lot broken in the process with one we not do.
Because right now, the world in a survival mode. You get me? You have to constantly think of ways of make yourself better in them time. Yeah. You have to just do what you have to do.
I show you how you lose out.
Yeah.
So my time when the buck a one nigga but him don't expose everything to me. Yeah. So I say he might try to say the type of person on are. This dude there might go on everything. But at the end of the day I go say, I fool that.
Exactly. Because I know guys who I've never met who guys I never met. Then and then ask me, oh you do, you're alright? And then people send the money, like send the money.
Same thing.
And I be like, I'm appreciate it because you know, when I realize say a guy will do something for you, without even knowing if you're male or female, and this so my ratings can be up this year, you get me? Just the thought of you thinking about.
Yeah, you see, that may assure you, whole heap of real man out there, but uno as woman make man be unreal more time, cause uno just think say a front man a pre.
Me know say real man out there, but it's only to find them.
The power in a money for no. And the man have the power. And the money have the power. So the man with the money have the power. You see?
You feel like say a woman got there home and a man call her, yeah, little thing. She not gonna link up, she's gonna link up. So I gonna link up. And when you have children, when you can't stand the hungry, your kids them can't stand the hungry. You get me? So as a mother and as a woman, you have to always try to do anything what you can do.
Yeah, when a mother have to do what she have to do for the youth them survive, you can't not that, you see it, even she have to sell front. Don't question your mother.
All if you are work, right now people pay check a split in a half. You can't pay all the bills them anymore. You have to go find the extra money. You have to know where to come from. So I'm not want to be the one to degrade any female.
On a levels, you know, said this whole pandemic fuck up everything when it comes to relationship. Everything I go start over, you know, cause if a money people are unfun, no money not there right now.
Yeah, guess what? I find myself in a position where I can't do certain things. I'm have things to deal with, but do me after I'm not give a fuck what nobody wants to say.
You know, say a beer driver, yeah, give it. But here, I'ma put it in a simple context. No woman no want no broke man, dog.
Woman with broke man nowadays. Talk it truth. But woman don't really want with a broke man.
Yeah, for real. Nobody not even have a car and it broke down.
So, no, let's be logical, right? So if me broke and you broke, what's supposed to happen? Me supposed to wake up on yard. And you was big yarn beside me. So
yeah, man.
I was a baby warm. Boy, you don't know where I go on, you know. You don't know where I go on. You don't know where I go on. You know, listen, a broke man different from a man who is a hustler. I like man know how to hustle. Man know how to hustle, them a provider.
That's one of the first rule, man, for be ambitious. Wait now. Man for be ambitious. You see what I say? But no for time, a woman now go take fair time for say she go build no man. Woman want it know what that me I talk about.
Listen, when I met my baby daddy, yeah, he wasn't working. I was right there for him, right? I was working. Yeah? I'm gonna do everything for him until me stop work. And when me stop work, him get a good job and him start finance everything, start take care of shit in business. So yes, I would build a man. You build a man who you know they have ambition. You don't build a man who really wants to stay home. So if I'm working, I'm a sister who you have ambition. I'm a can say you can't be a hustler.
Just a chat. Enough people that say I lied.
What am I lying about?
As I say, when I want it now, when I now wait. I'm a done talk.
What am I lying about?
Nah, great pretender, you know, so a man just have to go and search till him find, till him buck up the right one. You see what I say?
You think everyone is the same? I'm telling you about Uno man. Uno man like the fake bitch them. We pretend to them like Uno I want Uno I love Uno when I really Uno money them want. And them woman they Uno attractive. No like the real one them. Uno love the fake bitches them.
Wait. I'm gonna tell you something why you feel for no. A man will flirt with one heap of woman but only love one. You hear that?
But when the girl them done, Uno left. Not even underpants on the now there. All of Uno the same. Uno want every girl, every catches.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.